our wok range pasta noodle cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 71 inches, a depth of 39.5 inches, and a height with legs, we got 60.25 inches tall. Coming to the top will be 2 aluminum bars, and the center will be your swivel head faucet. The length of the faucet head, we have 7 inches. Coming to the left and right will be 2 different sections to insert the baskets to cook your noodles and pasta. Each section can be removed and inserted onto the wok range. The radius of the left wok will measure 19.5 inches. The measurements for each noodle cooker section will include 23.25 inches in length, 28 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Measurements applied for the first and left section. The right section, we have 34 inches in length, 28 inches in depth, 10 inches in height. Measurements apply for the last and right section of the noodle cooker. The left side has 6 inserts, and the right will contain 9. Each insert will measure 3.5 inches in radius. Coming to the bottom will be the operational valves for your gas and water. Coming to the right will be a waste tray that will measure 5.5 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, by 5 inches in height. Coming to the bottom left and right will be 2 additional waste trays. Each waste tray will measure 22.75 inches in length by 30 inches in depth. Coming to the left will be the NSF certification. Coming to the back of the wok will be the copper pipe, along with a black pipe located beneath for your gas. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.